Good night, elephant. Welcome to Kiss Goodnight. It's time to let the elephant drift off to sleep. Would you like to light a candle and keep him company? Let's tiptoe and see who's still awake. Good night, dear elephant. Hey, my dearest elephant, did you have a fun time splashing in the water today? I saw your long trunk joyfully spraying water, the cool droplets sparkling in the glow of the sunset, and your happiness infecting everyone around. But now, as the night gently descends, it's time to give you a hug and let you rest after a day's hard work. Let's head to that cozy nest, where soft straw and fragrant leaves await to give you a sweet night's sleep. Look up, countless stars are already twinkling in the night sky, as if softly saying goodnight. The moon's gentle light also spills into our forest home, laying out a silver dreamland for you. Before you close your big eyes and embark on a journey in your dreams, let me cover you with a warm little blanket, ensuring you feel comfortable and safe through the night. Remember, we're here to watch over you, making every dream peaceful and beautiful, so that when a new day comes, you'll greet it with renewed vigor and joy. So, dear elephant, please rest assured as you enter your dreamland. We'll guard you under the moonlight until the bright morning comes again. Good night, dear one, may you have the sweetest dreams. Good night, elephant.